What do you think, Wackus Bonkus? Kill him. Who? You naughty Wackus Bonkus.
Really? Really? Okay, you're done. You're done. Goodbye.
Well, you're just the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Yep. If there was a prize, you'd win it. If there was a score, you'd get 100%. I love you.
Luke, no! Oh my gosh, get down from there. You crazy.
You scared?
I have to show you something what I do. Okay.
Oh, you want to get f***ed up. You want to get...
What are you doing?
Oh, hi, Louise.
Oh, hi, Mom.
Hello.
You're holding my stuff.
Hello, my little lady.
Oh, honey, you're stuck.
Where's your best friend? Aww. Good boy. Yeah.
Oh, God.
This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters. Augustus, calm down. Mommy's got you. Hold on. Hold on. I don't even know what you did. Oh my God.
I love you. Now you set my soul on fire.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God.
I'm very proud of how I look. Yes, I am high maintenance, but I think you gotta be.
All right, Safi, let us know how this is. You gotta be a good food critic, okay? How is it? Be honest, how is it?
Bitch, disgusting.
Sounded really good.
Get more TikTok views.
Here's my kitchen. That's not quite yet finished. That's Charlie. She's a dick.
See, it's your brother. Oh, whoa! He farted.
Arlo!
Alois!
When will the biscuits be ready? Thank you.
Are you proud of yourself?
Oh my god, I can't. Otis, man.
And then she tried to do it again, and I was like, are you dumb? Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Look at me. That Meg does not give a crap.
Hello?
Hello.
Whoa. Hello?
Hello.
Why is it spicy?
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy.
I've been picked on 3 times today. Oh, because of my trousers.
What's wrong with your trousers?
Look at the fucking size of them.
It's all gonna be safe, and we're all gonna have a great time. What in the Jesus Christ was that?
My hamster went missing 9 days ago, and she just decided to show herself.
Come here.
I'm so disappointed because I literally just got to my hotel in Arizona and they have bed bugs.
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God.
I'm gonna put Wolfie on the counter.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
Mom! Yes! Wolfie on the counter! One paw up, Wolfie on the counter. That's my baby. I love you so much. Arr. Arr. Whoop. I didn't know.
Дружеский кот. Петушка.
Okay! I understand! Come on! Get in already!
My house. My dog.
Start your engine! And go! Ready? Start your engine! Yes! You're out of control. Go on.
What the f are you looking at? And why the f are you sad? Pinky, bitch, did she eat my perk again?
Can I help you? Can I use the bathroom? Thank you. I just need a little privacy.
Val? Oh my god! You like it? Yeah? Too expensive. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
We can explain.
You f***ing with me, right?
Might be a pumpkin blueberry.
Want some Gil?
Are you sad? Mr. Mittens got you good, huh, buddy? Yeah.